Imagine laying down to sleep and waking up healed. Say hello to medbeds. Medbeds are revolutionary medical devices that look like regular beds but work wonders. Using advanced technology, they scan your body, detect issues, and start the healing process. Think of broken bones, chronic pain, or even diseases being treated while you rest. It's like having a personal doctor, nurse, and surgeon all in one. Just lie down, relax, and let the medbed do its magic. This is the next big leap in healthcare, making treatments faster, safer, and more comfortable. So, are you ready to sleep your way to better health? Medbeds are bringing the hospital to your home. Stay tuned with Nexus Wellness and Recovery LLC for new game-changing technologies. Till next time, Earth Strong.
What if the future of healthcare was not in pills or surgeries, but in the advanced technology of the Galactic Federation's medbeds? A concept that seems to be plucked straight out of a sci-fi novel, medbeds represent a leap into the future of health and wellness. The Galactic Federation's medbeds, as the name suggests, are not your average hospital beds. They are a revolutionary concept in healthcare technology, harnessing advanced healing methods that sound more like science fiction than reality. These medbeds utilize a combination of light and sound waves, along with other undisclosed technologies, to scan and diagnose the human body down to the cellular level. Once the medbed has identified any issues, it can then treat the patient with pinpoint accuracy, addressing the root cause of the illness or injury rather than just treating the symptoms. The medbeds are not just about healing physical ailments. They can also address mental health issues, from anxiety and depression to more severe conditions. By using advanced brain mapping and other techniques, the medbeds can identify and treat these conditions, offering a holistic approach to health. But how does it work, you might ask? Well, the medbeds operate by creating a resonance field that aligns with the body's natural healing abilities. This resonance field can then stimulate and accelerate the body's healing process, allowing for a faster and more efficient recovery. The Galactic Federation's medbeds represent a new frontier in healthcare. They offer a non-invasive, holistic approach to health and wellness that could revolutionize the way we approach medicine. With their advanced technology and capabilities, medbeds could potentially eliminate the need for invasive surgeries and harmful medications, paving the way for a healthier and more holistic future. In summary, the Galactic Federation's medbeds are a groundbreaking innovation in healthcare. They use advanced technologies to diagnose and treat illnesses and injuries at the cellular level, offering a non-invasive, holistic approach to health and wellness. With the potential to transform the future of medicine, the medbeds represent a leap into a new era of healthcare.